Building your own PC is all about budgeting. You've gone out and bought the components, assembled it, turned it on, got into the Windows setup screen, when you realise you forgot something pretty important. The Windows 10 product key. With Microsoft selling home variants for £99 and the professional for £125, there's no way you're going to be able to fit that in your budget after buying all those components, is there? Well, that's where today's sponsor comes in. G2Deal is a website that sells various CD keys all the way from Windows to Office and have multiple other products available on their website. There'll be links in the description so you can go check them out. So to prove this actually works, we're going to head over to the G2Deal website to get ourselves a Windows 10 professional key, because I've just built this beautiful PC over here. Yeah, I take back the beautiful part, but we need to install Windows on it. Using the sign up link in the top right corner, we need to create an account, and from there we can get our Windows 10 product key, which I've left individual links for in the description. The ordering process is quite easy, and using our promotional code TW18 at checkout, we get 18% off our order, bringing our total down to just £11. After our purchase, we're able to get the Windows key through the My Orders section, where we just click on the View Keys and Codes button, and it's there, ready to put on a computer. Now with our full Windows license key, you can easily create a Windows install USB or DVD using the media creation tool supplied on Microsoft's website. And now we can give this computer the Windows it deserves. And there we go, a fully activated version of Windows available for you guys on the cheap. Now, if you're upgrading from Windows 10 Home, you can use these CD keys to upgrade yourself to Professional, and they do have other products available on their website, so I definitely recommend you guys check it out. Many thanks again to G2Deal for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check them out in the description. And a quick note from me before I sign off. Yes, don't worry, I will be activating my main machine using g2deal.com. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.